What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be test riding this brand new Anyland Rev Pro mini electric dirt bike. This bike comes standard with a 48 volt 22.5 amp hour battery. It's got hydraulic forks with some decent travel in the front and a hydraulic shock back here in the rear. The overall seat height is just about 29 inches. Obviously it comes standard with hydraulic disc brakes front and rear. It actually has a pretty nice gripper seat that should hold you in place. The key ignition spot is right here above the seat, which I really like. It has a really bright headlight here on the front with 6 different color modes, and the bike is really lightweight at only 116 pounds. Now, the feature that makes this stand out from all the other electric mini bikes, and in my opinion is the real selling point of this bike, is the Auto-Wheelie controller. The controller, aka the brains of this bike, will stop you from looping out when you're practicing wheelies. You can set it at different angles, and when your bike gets to a certain angle, it will completely stop you from looping out backwards. This is all new technology to me. I have never tried anything like this before, so I'm really excited to see if this thing actually works. Let's go test it out. I got it in the wheelie mode. Let's give it a shot. Full throttle, and it should just stop me. Yup, it stops me right there. Now I know I'm using my feet to balance. Oh, that is so cool. But it gives you the feeling of what the balance point should be, I think. I don't really know what the balance point should be because I've never done a wheelie myself. That might be too high. Is that the wheelie point? That seems super high. Yeah, in wheelie mode 3, it comes up so high. I don't even know if that's normal. That's really high. Oh yeah, there we go. Now I got it like, that time I felt it going a little bit farther back, and I could feel that the bike naturally wanted to stay up in that wheelie spot. That felt really good. I've been riding dirt bikes for several years now, but one thing that I've never practiced is wheeling. I've just never set aside the time to practice it. I'm gonna use this as a tool to teach me how to wheelie. That feels like it's gonna get my body comfortable with where the lean angle is. So now I'm kind of like feathering it. You can see the front wheel jerk up and down a little bit. It has enough torque that once you're up there in that wheelie spot, you can kind of play with it and move the front wheel a little bit, but you can't let it down too much, otherwise it doesn't have enough power to bring it back up. Yeah, balancing side to side is definitely easier the faster you're going. Once I'm going like 25 miles an hour, it feels so much easier to stay perfectly straight and stable. You still have to personally balance left and right. The bike doesn't balance that way for you. All it does is when your wheel comes up, it stops you from looping out backwards. She gave me a thumbs up as she drove by. That's awesome. That's funny. It looks like I'm good at wheelies, but dude, I have no idea what I'm doing. It's this Auto-Wheelie controller just stopping me from looping out. I can wheelie this whole street. I've been doing this for like 15 minutes, and this bike is letting me wheelie down the entire street. Yes, I know, this is cheating. Trust me, I know it's cheating, but man, this is fun. It's such a cool feeling. And I'm looking at it more as a safety feature that's going to stop me from looping out. I'm going to see if I can use this as a tool that's going to teach me how to wheelie and really practice with this thing and see if it'll translate over to my bigger gas dirt bikes. I guess one thing that's good about learning on a mini bike is I can see directly over the front fender. I don't have to look around the side of the bike. Oh, let's see if I can go around the corner. Oh my God, I went around the corner. It's hard to know if I am at a point where I'm balancing it myself or if I'm at the maximum spot for the wheelie controller. Like, I feel comfortable in the wheelie right where it's at, so I'm not trying to make it go any farther backwards. Like, I'm not full throttle. You could technically just full throttle this thing and it should hold a wheelie in a certain spot. But I'm trying to teach myself to feather the throttle, so I'm wheeling where the front wheel feels comfortable. We're slowing down around the corner. I gotta let the front wheel down a little bit, get some more power back into it. But there are times where I'm not even using the throttle when it's all the way up at the top of the wheelie position. Like, I just am barely pressing it to bring it back up as soon as it starts letting down. All right, let's see real quick. Okay, see, I'm not at the maximum wheelie point. The maximum wheelie point is all the way up there, and I can't even stay on the bike when it's that high. So I'm keeping it like, and then if I use the throttle, it brings it up that high. Oh yeah, see how you can like feather it and then it stops you? Oh, the bike's freaking out, doesn't like it. There we go, yeah. Okay. That's something that I'm figuring out, that I have to be going a certain speed. I have to be going like at least, I feel like I'm doing 10 or 15 miles an hour right now. If I'm doing any slower than this, it becomes so hard to balance the wheelie side to side. But at this speed, it just feels easy. So obviously, you guys have seen my, whoa, bumpy roads. Gotta speed it up a little bit. Obviously, you guys have seen my reaction to this thing so far. I think it's really cool. I think it's awesome. I know some people are gonna hate on it, be like, you need to be a man and learn how to wheelie without the assist, but this is the safest. This has gotta be the safest way to learn how to do a wheelie. If your kids want a bike to learn how to do wheelies, this is going to save them so much pain from falling backwards. I think eventually it's kind of like, you'll ultimately have to crash. You'll ultimately have to loop a wheelie out in order to really feel what it's like to learn how to wheelie without any assist. Like, there's no way you can perfect that balance point without going backwards. But for now, this thing is an amazing tool. For me, I'm an adult, I'm 6'2". I'm definitely way too big for this mini bike. But for kids and teenagers that want to learn how to wheelie, want to learn how to do this, dude, this is the safest way possible. This thing's awesome. And it's a cool feeling. It's such a cool feeling to have all your body weight lean back, but not be worried about sliding down and getting road rash, man. I'm cheesing. I'm sitting here smiling ear to ear going down the street in a wheelie. From never being able to do a wheelie to wheeling down my entire neighborhood streets in 10 minutes, dude, that's insane. Hello. And then anytime I want to speed up, I drop the front wheel just ever so slightly, and that allows me to use the power to bring the front wheel back up. Please don't hit me. Thank you. These roads here have all just been paved, so it's like super nice and smooth to do a wheelie over this. I told you that this bike has dirt bike knobbies on it. I wonder how much easier it is to wheelie a bike that has street tires on it versus dirt bike knobbies. I wouldn't know. Haven't ever done it on either. This is the first bike I'm ever doing wheelies on. And at this point, I'm doing these wheelies going like 30 plus miles an hour, up near the top speed of this bike. If this thing looped out, I'd be so screwed. Well, I don't want to make this video too long. I could sit here wheeling for hours and hours and hours. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Again, this is the Anyland Rev Pro. It's a mini electric dirt bike that has an automatic assist wheelie controller. It doesn't wheelie for you. You still have to control the throttle. You still have to balance side to side. You still have to bring the front wheel up. But it's a good safety feature that stops you from going over backwards. And honestly, this seems like an amazing tool for everyone to learn how to wheelie or just experience what a wheelie is like. This has been an amazing couple hours for me, just learning how this bike works, feeling how the front wheel feels up in the air. If you guys want to get yourself one, I will have links to buy this in my description below or pinned to the top of the comments. The bike costs about $1,400, I believe, and you can get $100 off your order if you use the discount code Hallman at checkout. But yeah, guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.